Okay, now let's start number series questions. Okay, we have already seen the strategical trick. So for solving all the questions in our further lectures and then this lecture too, we will be using that trick only. Okay, first question. This question has been asked in Bank PO 3rd July 2016. Okay, from in this paper 5 questions have been asked and we will cover in this video all 5 questions from this exam 3rd July 2016. Okay, now let's start. This series is given 250, 235, 205, 160. You have to find this missing number. Okay, and 25. Now let's see the trick. Step 1. What was step 1? That you have to find out whether this series falls in which category. This is an decreasing series. So what I said, for decreasing series we will move from right to left. Okay, that means we will see from right to left. Okay, first then what you have to check, whether it is a prime number series or not. Okay, this is obviously all these numbers. This is not prime, this is not prime. So if any number is not prime, right, so just stop here and we will just declare that this is not a prime number series. Okay, whether it is an n square number series, 250 is not a square of anyone, it is also not a square of anyone, so it is not n square series. N cube series, 250 is a n cube of anything? No. This is 230 is also not the cube of anything, so it is not even n cube series. So let's check for n square plus minus n series. 250. Okay, nearest square to 250 is what? 225, right? And 225, 250 is too far from each other. So this cannot be this series also, because usually this series plus comes when n is 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, usually I am saying usually this is the scenario. Okay, but here the difference is of 25, right? So we will consider that this is not the n square plus minus n series. Let's see the n cube now, whether it is the n cube plus minus n series. 250, nearest cube is also too far from it, so it is not even n cube plus minus n series. Okay, now next we will check the jump. Jump here is not too high, right? See, jumps are not too high. Okay, and what I said, initially you will not be able to identify the jumps whether it is high or low, right? So when you are not able to identify whether it is high or low, just calculate both factors, addition as well as subtraction. So we will move from right to left. Okay, first we will see the addition factors. Okay, here we cannot identify, here also we can identify. Let's see this. 160, 205 minus 160 is what? It is 6. 205 minus 160 is 45, right? 230 minus 245 is, we are going from right to left, so just this is addition. Okay, 205 to 35, 230 minus 205 is what? 30, right? Okay, this is not 230, this is 235. This is 235 here. Okay, so it will have to be 30. Now 250 minus 235 is what? 15, right? Okay, now what I said, when you get the addition factors, just try to find out what is the relation. Okay, just try to find out the relation between the addition factors. Okay, 15, 30, 45, what is the relation you are getting? It is the series of 15, 15. Okay, now again plus 15 you will do, it will come out to be plus 60. Okay, and here also 15, this will come out to be 75. Okay, so 25 plus 75, this, just remember this direction, because we are using the decreasing series, so we will go from right to left. So 25 plus 75 is what? 100. 100 plus 60 is what? 160. Okay, that means our logic is completely correct, because after applying our logic we are getting the number which is already given in the series, right? So this is how you have to always check your logic. This is very important. Okay, so this is how you have to check your logic always. See, 25 plus 75 is 100, right? So we got that our answer is 100. And to check the logic, what we did, 100 plus 60, this is also we got from our logic. 100 plus 60, what comes, 160, which is already given in our series. That means our answer is completely correct. So answer is what, 100. Okay, now let's move to the next question. This question, I said we will cover all question which has been asked in this paper, 3rd July 2016. Next question is 20 x 29 40 58 85. You have to find this missing term. Okay, just write the series now. Okay, first step, whether it is increasing or decreasing series. This is the increasing series, so we will move from left to right. Check whether it is prime series. No. It is n square series. No. N cube series. No. N square plus minus n series. Just check this thing. 16, nearest square is 16, right? So just check it. This is 4 square plus 4. This is what, 5 5 25 plus 4. 7 7s are 49 minus 9. 8 8s are 64 minus 6. Okay, so no series we are getting, right? So this is not even n square plus minus n series. Check for n cube plus minus n series. Okay, 27, nearest cube is what, 27. 3 cube, 3 cube minus 7. This is also 3 cube plus 2. 8 is this is 4 cube, 16. 7, 27, nearest is 27 or 64, right? And both are too far, right? Nearest is either 3 cube or 4 cube. This is 27, this is 64, and both are too far from 40, right? That means this is also not our series. Okay, now we will move to what, addition factors or multiplication factor. We will just check the jumps. Jumps are clearly low, so just check simple the addition factors. Okay, we will move from left to right. Now difference cannot be found out because this is the missing term. Difference is what, 11 plus 18 plus 27. Are you getting any relationship? What I said, if you are not able to find any relationship, just consider the factors as the what, series only. Okay, so just let's see this, let's just consider this is a series. Okay, so how you will get 11 and 18? You will get it as plus 7. How you will get 18 from 27 from 18? Plus 9, right? So just apply this logic which we are getting. Okay, and we will check our logic too. Okay, now let's check. If it is 7, then you have to be, this should be what, this should be plus 5. So here it should be what, it should be what, it should be plus 6, because plus 6 plus 5 will be 11, right? Because this is like this, 18 plus 9 is 27, 11 plus 7 is 18. So how you will get, and what we are getting, this. So 7 9 7 5 3 should be there. This is the series we are getting for the factor. Okay, so here it is 5. Okay, so 11 minus 5 is 6, right? Are you getting this thing? That 6, we are moving from left to right, so 6 plus 5 is 11. So to get this thing we have to just minus it. 11 minus 5 is 6. Similarly this should be plus 3, so 6 minus 3 is what? 6 minus 3 is 3. So this should be what? This should be 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 6 should be 29, which is right. That means after checking our logic we get it right. It means our logic is completely correct. So answer is 23. Okay, let's move forward now. Next question. 5, 7, 17, 55 to 25. Okay, step 1. Increasing or decreasing? Increasing series. So we will move from left to right. If it is a prime number series, no. N square series, no. N cube series, no. N square plus minus n series. Now we will just check it without writing anything. Okay, n square plus minus n series, nearest square is what? 9, right? Nearest square is also 9. Here it is 16. Are you getting any relationship like this? N square plus minus n? No. Okay, this is how you have to save your time. Without writing, you just have to just check each and every step. N cube plus minus n. Nearest cube is here is what? 8. Right? So 8. Nearest cube here is also 8. Nearest cube here is what? 27. Are you getting anything? N cube plus minus n? No, we are not getting anything like this. Now we will check what? Jumps. Okay, just write the series now. Left to right you have to move. Okay, then just check the jumps. Jumps are high. Just check it. 5, 7. Difference is 2. 7, 10. Are you getting anything? Difference first comes 2. Then immediately it comes the difference of 10. And here it is too high. Right? So jump is what? Jump is high. So what we will check? We will check the multiplication factor here. Okay. 5, 7. How you will get 5, 7 from 5? How you will get it? 5 into 1 plus 2. Right? Similarly, how you will get 17 from 7? In the easiest way. Okay. 7 into 2 is what? 14. 14 plus 3. Similarly, how you will get 55 from 17? 17 into 17 1s are 17 and 2s are 34. 17 3s are 17 3s is what? 3 7 21 51. So 17 into 3 plus 4. This is 55 into 4 plus 5, right? So our logic, we are getting something. See this. This is consecutive multiplication. So here it will 5. And this addition also consecutive. 2, 3, 4, 5. So where will be? It should be 6. Now just calculate it. 225 into 5 is what? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 5 2 10, 11. So 11 plus 1 1 2 5 plus 6 is what? 1 1 3 1. So your answer is 1 1 3 1. Okay, easy. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, first step, increasing or decreasing? This is decreasing, then increasing. What I said, this falls in the category of decreasing, then all increasing, right? So what I said, when this category comes, you have to directly check the multiplication factor, because in 90% of these types of series, answer you will get from multiplication factor only, right? See, these steps which I have given will definitely help you to solve question in a very fast way, only if you practice it with this trick only. Okay, now check the multiplication here. How you will get? Right, just a minute. Now how you will get 6 from 10? It is very easy. 10 divided by 2 right? 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5 plus 1, right? How you will get 8 from 6? Very easily. 6 into 1 plus 2. Now, are you getting anything? Half, then 1. It means just you have to add plus half to every multiplication. Okay, so 1 plus half is what? 3 by 2. So just calculate it. 8 into 3 by 2 is what? 2. 4 side, 4 3 are 12, right? And 12 15 are too close. That means we can get it easily. Are you getting anything? That how I am calculating this thing? Once it is clear that in 90% of cases in this type of series, multiplication factor is the answer. Okay, so we just calculated how we will get 6 from 10 multiplying factor in a easy way. Okay, so we just divide 10 by 2 because this is decreasing term, right? So it means you have to divide 10 by 2, we get 5 plus 1. Okay, this is I have got using the practice. So I'm again telling you, in this type of series maximum 90% of cases multiplication factor comes, and maximum also this thing applies. Okay, you can even check. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we have got that something we are getting, some series we are getting, half then 1, the next should be what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 8 into 3 by 2 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Similarly 3 by 2 plus half is what? 2. So 15 into 2 plus 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 32. 34. That means we are getting a logic now. 2 plus half is what? 5 by 2. So it should be 5 by 2 plus what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be 5. These are consecutive. Now just calculate it. 34 into 5 by 2, 17. 17 into 5 is what? 30. 17 into 5 is what? 85. 85 plus 5 is 90. That means our answer is 90. You got it? If you don't follow this trick which I have told you, you will be just stuck on this question. But by using the trick which I have told you, you have easily solved this type of question also, in which decreasing and then all increasing. Always remember, in this type of series, maximum time multiplication factor is the answer. Okay, if even applying the multiplication factor you are not getting your answer, then just follow all the rest of these steps, right? Now let's move to the next question. 85 53 33 22 17 x. Okay, now first step, increasing decreasing or what? This is the decreasing series, so we will move from what? Right to left. Okay, prime number series, no, it is not prime. N square series, no. N cube series, no. N square plus minus n series, just check it without adding anything now. Nearest n square is what? 81, right? 81. Here what is the nearest? 49. Yes, we are something getting. 33, what is the nearest? 25. Now again we are not getting anything, because see, 81 is here, difference is what? 81 85 4. 49, difference is what? 4. That is why I said that we are getting something. But now 25 nearest, but 25 33, the difference is not 4. That means we are not getting any series like n square plus minus n. See how I have calculated without writing anything. Okay, so you have to do in this way only, because writing will obviously waste your time. Now just check without writing anything. N cube plus minus n. Nearest cube is what? 64. 64 84 are 85 is too far. That means clearly it's not the n cube plus minus n series. Okay, now we will just apply the jumps. Okay, we will just check whether the jumps are high or low. Okay, are you able to get whether the jumps are high or low? I'm not able to get. Okay, so what I said, when we will not able to get, we will check both addition as well as multiplication. Let's first check the addition. Okay, we have to move from right to left. Okay, we will first check the addition. 17, 22, difference is what? 5. 22, 33, difference is what? 11. 33, 53, difference is what? 20. 85, 53, difference is what? 32. Okay, now just try to analyze this series. Okay, just analyze this series now. This is plus. Okay, this series, consider this as also a series now. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. Are you getting anything? This 6, 9, 12. That means it should be 15. Further it should be 15. And before here it should be what? There's a difference of 3 in there. Okay, so that means we have got something. It should be plus 3 now. So what should be here? 5 minus 3, that is 2, right? So x plus 2 is 17. So x should be what? It should be what? 15. No. Just a minute. I think we have 5 plus 6 is 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11, right? So 5 minus 3 is 2. So plus 2 is here. So 17 plus, that means x, this, just see this arrow, x plus 2 is what? 17. So x should be what? This I have considered x. So x should be what? 17 minus 2, that is x is equal to 15. Your answer is 15. Okay, I hope that you have got how to apply the strategy. In further videos also I will tell you how to apply the strategy, and we will solve more questions. Okay, regarding we will solve more question with this strategy only. Okay, in this video I have solved all the questions which have come in this exam. In further videos I will be covering more papers also. Okay, and if you find any type of difficulty, please comment below and share this video with your friends too, so that they can also get benefit with it. Thank you.